The first file we will work with is the doc file. It is really common. It is something that we translate mainly every single day. But although we for sure see on screen something clear, something clean, which is text, we usually may have these problems with formatting shifts, tables that get broken, or text that is missing in the translation. What is the reason? It is because DOCX files usually contain many things behind scenes. They may contain text boxes, complex tables, but also track changes, comments, even hidden text or images. All that will or may cause issues in the process of translating them using a CAT tool or a TMS like Pairaphrase. The solution here is to always accept track changes, if any, remove comments, simplify tables as much as we can, and confirm that is check that the text is fully editable. For you to see an example, this is a very simple docx file, very simple, just text, and look how many things are behind it. This is the HTML that is the, let's say, the backbone of my docx file. As you can see, there are many things behind that we do not usually see, but the machine, the translation management system, must deal with them when processing the file. So if those things are not clear enough, are not properly inserted in the file, things may happen and we may have certain problems. So again, as I told you, check if you have track changes, if you have images, if you have embedded tables, for instance, from another program, another software, because all that may cause issues in your docx file.